quick kind of pre-bonus before we get going. I'm going to show you or remind you how to order your data in Google Sheets. There's a couple different ways. One of them is pretty straightforward for our purposes, and the data, I've purposely mixed it up some. The ultimate result looks the same as what we saw with the mode, and we'll get into that in just a bit. But what you can do is you can highlight and you can head up to Data. And if you only want to rearrange one column, not everything, it's pretty darn straightforward. Sort range, and we are going to sort from lowest to highest. I could sort from highest to lowest, but I'll go in here, and now all of a sudden my data is sorted along this column. If you wanted to say like, hey, what day, like right now we didn't change the days, right? Like on what day did all this stuff happen? So I'm gonna undo that. And once again, you're gonna end up with a couple annoying little things because it's going to change these values up here, or it's gonna order them towards the bottom, but we'll leave that for a different day. Sort sheet. And when you do that, now it's like on day 16, I consumed 0 glasses of water. On day 18, I consumed 0 glasses of water. On day 3, and I consumed 1, and so on and so forth. But now we're not just getting the ordered data along here, but we know when we consumed those various classes. All right, let's check out how the median works in Google Sheets and just learn a couple things about the median. I am on the tab Example Median Raw Data. And it's pretty much all the same data as I used with the mode. How many full glasses of water did I drink today? 0 full glasses, 1 full glass. So it's a discrete data set. To calculate the median, it's pretty darn easy. It's equals median, and then just highlight the column of data, or the relevant data points. And I come up with 3. So this is nice, unlike the mode where maybe there are multiple modes, there is always only one median. So if you put in equals median and you highlight the values, then that is the median. I went in and constructed a histogram. I'm not going to go over that because we went through a demo in the last video. The one thing that I will say though is here there might be some value in show item dividers, and you get some clearer sense as to the count. Last but not least, notice that we've got 3 data values for the third glass. So this is 0 glasses, 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glasses, and be easier to see that with a combo chart than with a histogram, but there you go. What I want to show you is just like a really quick shortcut. And these data values are already ranked, they're already ordered, and I have 31 data observations. So that's an odd number. I can take 31 plus 1, so 31 plus 1 is 32, and then divide that by 2. It's going to be the 16th data observation that is the median. And as it turns out, it is the 16th data observation that is the median. Even if I had been working with an even data set, so 30, I would still end up with the same value. Just to show you that that's the case, I'm going to put equals median. And instead of just highlighting column B, this is already ordered data. And instead of going to my 31st value, I'm just going to go to my 30th value. So that's an even number of values. And it turns out it's still 3. So we can get there from a couple different ways, a couple different angles, but I just wanted to show you some of the ropes on this. As a bonus, if you wanted, you'd have to work with a frequency table, but you could create a combo chart in Google Sheets. And if you did that, then the numbers would appear directly below, which is a little easier to understand, right? Like 0 full glasses, 1 full glass, 2 full glasses, but you've already seen how to do that.